Hi everyone, my name is Lau Ka Hong, metric number AD140224 from section 14. So today I would like to present the Engineering Economy FOC first assignment. So for the first assignment, the question that I choose is example 5.4. So 5.4 is given two machines, which is machine A and machine B. So for machine A and machine B, they are two different values. So we have to compare and calculate which is the better machine for the company to purchase. So we calculate based on the PW. PW is the present worth. So the present worth, if the present worth value is higher, which indicates the machine is more worth than the lower value. So before we calculate, there are few values that we needed for this calculation. First is the P, the present value, A, the annual cost, F, the future cost, and N, the period, or we so-call the years, the number of years. And last but not least is the 15% interest rate per year. So before we start our calculation, we need a cash flow diagram. The cash flow diagram, we need to include 5 elements. The first element is P, present value, and A, the annual cost, and F, the future cost, and I, the interest rate per year, and lastly, the N, the number of years. And this is the PW, which is the present worth value. So we start the calculations step by step. We start with A first, the machine A. So to calculate the PW, we use this formula, P0 plus A times the factors and plus the F times the factors. So for P0, for machine A, the P0, the present value is negative 45,000. Negative 45,000, which means that the money is going out from the company. So for the cash flow diagram, the arrow is pointing downwards, which means that the money is going out from the company. And for A and F, it is going upwards, so which means the money is going into the company. So it's positive value for both value A and F. And this factor we have to calculate, or we can directly obtain from the table, which is C15. So before we obtain the value, we must get this format first. This format, which means that we have to find P, present value, but we given A, I, and N. A is the annual cost, I is the interest rate, and N is the number of years. So the A have been given, and I is 15%, and N is the number of years, 5 years. So same goes to future value. For the future value, we have to obtain P, but given F, I, and N. Future cost, I, interest rate, 50%, and N, 5, number of years, 5 years. So this value we can get from C15. C15 is the table for discrete compound interest for I equals to 15% interest rate. So we find P given F is 0.4972 from N equals to 5, which is 5 years, and same goes to P given A, which is 3.3522. So with these two factors, we insert into this equation and we can get 1313.2. So same goes to machine B. We use the same formula and also the same factor. We can get 3720.4, which is much more higher than A. So the PW, the present worth value, is higher, which means it is better to purchase. So we choose machine B for the company. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.